I look like the Lucky Charm man sat on my face. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today's look is this St. Patrick's Day beat. You dig? I'm annoying. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be like thinking of this look off the top of my dome, so like bear with me, and if it comes out like hella crappy, my bad, girl. I don't know what to tell you. So starting off, like always, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. I just use it like as a eyeshadow primer. So I just put like one little dot. And really, you need a little bit because this shit really do go a long way. And just rub it in. Okay, so now, once we have blended out all the concealer on our eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this color, this yellow up here. Just going to tap it a little bit, just enough to get, you know, some pigment on there. And I'm just going to apply that like in the crease.
Right now, I think I seen a demon. I thought I left you back there in the cell, or am I dreaming? Say I ain't dealing with your dog.
And we're like just really like smoking this yellow out. I'm really smoking it out and up, like more up, blending it upwards, because I want this to be like a transition. I'm gonna go in with this like light lime green color first. And apply that right in the crease. Just get a little bit. And apply that directly in the crease. And as soon as we get like more into the greens and stuff, I'm not really blending it up so much as we did that yellow color. Just blending it like more within the crease. So just keep that in mind. Don't blend it up too much. Just blend it within the actual crease. So I'm gonna go in with this color, this green up here, right at the top. We gonna use it, and we gonna apply that right in the crease again, girl. You know the drill. Apply that in the crease now.
Back and forth, yeah. Got a driver, not the Fiat, she be back and forth, yeah. About to put myself together, take it back apart.
After I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this darker green that's right there.
I got pregnant, she said it's for you who FaceTime Kodak with my nunu. I left you cause he knew you. I'm wet dreaming by activists, 2 new cups feel like new boobs, don't you? I might take off on you peons and go way to Venus.
I'm going with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the brush I'm going to be using for this is a different brush. It's the Morphe M443 brush, and it's kind of like a skinny blending brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Enchanted, and I'm just going to dip in my brush into that dark greenish color and just tap it off. And we're going to start like very, very, very little. And we're just going to apply that into the crease. Just kind of pat it in. And then kind of blend it a little bit.
Dude, you need a spacesuit to get up on his latitude. If she ain't foreign, then she born, I need a Zorcon.
I'm going to go back with the brush that we were using all those green colors with. And just kind of blend it with no added product also. Just kind of blend it on top of that dark color that we just added. So now I'm gonna go back with the Tarte Shape Tape, and just like any flat top brush, and just put a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And we're gonna go ahead and cut our eye, I guess that's what you could say.
Billboard Hitmakers.
Be spying us out.
Okay. I'm just taking a random little brush that looks like this. You know, you've seen these like plenty of times. And I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer that we just put down on our eyelid. And what I used to set it is I go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette, and I go in with the shade White Chocolate. And I'm gonna pat it to where we just applied all that concealer.
And everything that come before. And yeah, 2 o'clock in the morning. Different day, same story.
Okay, so to be totally honest, I can't find my glitter glue that I was originally looking for, so we're gonna do something else. Hopefully, hopefully this turns out okay. I don't know, but we're gonna wish for the best. So what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use this Urban Decay glitter liner. It's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. It's like the goldish one. I'm gonna go ahead and create like a cat wing with this, but on top we're gonna put on some green glitter, and yeah, we'll see how this all turns out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start creating my wing. I'm gonna go ahead and go in sections, and I'm gonna use any type of angled brush and dip it into my glitter and just put that on top.
Whoa, oh, 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 hey. Now they salty, see me winning, now they wanna stop me. Came from nothing, now we fucking flossing. I feel great, these people think I'm awesome.
So before we were using this like iridescent type of green, and now I'm gonna add in like some real green glitter just to make it even more green, you know?
Why you salty? See me winning, now they wanna stop me. Came from nothing, now we fucking flossing. I feel great, these people think I'm awesome. Ay, run away from all the pain. I try so hard to change my ways. Think I'm insane. She roll.
Yep. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now, okay? I'll probably come back to it later as soon as I have the rest of my face done. So we're just gonna keep it like this for now. Okay, I don't know what the hell that was, but I'm back. I went ahead and finished off my face. If you want to see like my foundation routine and my base and all that stuff, I did do it in my previous video, so if you want to see it, it's there. And then the lashes that I put on is some Ardell faux mink or whatever. Yeah, these lashes, I'm like, whatever about them. You know, they're not like super special or anything. You can probably find better ones, but yeah, I just put on these because this is all I have. Because I'm a broke bitch. And yeah, so after we done, you know, doing our base or whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and go back with the eyeshadows because we're gonna finish off the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip back in to these two yellow shades. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'm just gonna like dip them in like that, both of them at the same time, and then tap off the excess and then just apply that right underneath. I never like put the eyeshadow on the bottom like super precise because I honestly like the whole like grungy look of eyeshadow. So I just put it on like messily. I don't even know what that's the word. Messily. Okay, I'm gonna go in with I'm just gonna go ahead and already go into this darkish green one. So I'm gonna dip it in. And just go back in with the yellow real quick. Dip it in a little bit. I'm placing that right underneath that green again.
They wanna stop me. Came from nothing, now we fucking floss.
So now all I have left is bottom mascara, because I already put mascara on the top. I'll probably put some more though, because why not? And I'm not gonna say the name of this because it's trash. Oh my god, did my camera move? Dude, was I in frame? If I wasn't in frame for like most of that, I'm seriously gonna kill myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Bow and Arrow. It's just a nice nude. Girl, I almost forgot.
My lips is crusty.
And I was just gonna put on like whatever. What I like to do is get some lip scrub. This is from Lush.
Yeah, niggas can tell. Yeah, I shoot a nigga if you tell. Yeah, dog, don't tell. Nah, dog, don't tell.
This is edible. Tastes really good.
Oh hell no!
Yeah, like I said, going in with that Kat Von D Bow and Arrow.
Cop that, gun I shoot. Yeah, who is you? Push up, and I do what I do. No, I do what I do. I love to do what I do.
So you could keep the lip matte like this, which I think looks good. I'm like, do I really want to add gloss on top? Whatever, you could keep the lip matte like this or add gloss. I'm just gonna do it, whatever.
Yeah, slide, yeah. Niggas can tell. Yeah, I shoot a nigga if you tell. Yeah, dog, don't tell.
And almost forgot some, the finishing touches, setting spray. I use the Mario Badescu here. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, I just spray this. I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX Dewy Finish.
Yeah, you wanna come on shit? Yeah, whole lot of shit. Yeah, slide, yeah. Niggas can tell. Yeah, I shoot a nigga if you tell. Yeah, dog, don't tell. Nah, dog, don't tell.
So this is the final look. I think it came out alright. I mean, I fucks with it, I know that probably nobody will do this on St. Patrick's Day. There's like, if you're truly extra, which I am, I would do this on St. Patrick's Day. But yeah, this was just what I came up with. I think it's really cute and fun. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, I guess. Ew, I feel so cringy saying that. I'm never saying that again. I'm so sorry. But yeah, just thanks for watching, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. Dude, even my nails match. Got glitter on my eye. I can't be on that fake YouTube shit, bro.